Hey guys, I wanted to come in and make a quick video. I wanted to transplant my peppers into some bigger cups. Let me bring it down. Okay, I have some California Wonder, Keystone Red, and a shishito. The empty spot here is where I had the Cajun Bell that never came up. So I'm going to empty these out of their little homes. This is harder than it looks, or that I've seen people do it, and it looks, you know, pretty simple, but it does not, it's not the case for me here today. Like, I have quite a few peppers to give a new home to. I put like 4 in each cell. Oh wow. This is really making quite a mess. But that's okay. That's why I have this set up down here, so I can, oh man. Okay. All right. I almost got ahead of myself because I have different peppers in different cells, so luckily I stopped just in time so that I know what's what. Normally I'm a very reckless gardener. I just be growing stuff and then not knowing what it is. So this year I've really made a conscious effort to not fall back on my bad behavior and label this stuff so I know what the freak it is that I have. Because I did that last year and I'm just like, some kind of pepper. I don't know what kind. I'll just have to wait and see. And the next pepper that I have here is the Keystone Red. And it looks like I have 7 of those. I'm like, yeah, I want the growing season to hurry up and get here so I can get all of these things into the garden and out of my basement. I'm like, I want to get going, get this done. I want to see some action. I want to see these out in the yard, giving me some food. I'm like, yeah. So we're already into March. And my last frost date here is 30 March, 1 May. 30 March, 1 April. So if these can hold on until that time and I can get them successfully transplanted out into the yard, that my friends, that's the ultimate goal, and that would be awesome. So yeah, get these all planted up. Oh yeah. Got a really nice root system on it. All right, so I have these in their cups, and now all I need to do is backfill with some soil and get them. Oh, see, I'm trying to forget. Got to put this tape on here so I'll know what I have. And then I'll just take the time and use a Sharpie and label each cup with what they are. But for the moment, I just want to put this on. All right, thanks for spending a few moments with me while I prepare my peppers into their larger cups. And as we each, I'm sure each and every one of us are waiting so patiently for this growing season to really get started. And I'm not talking about my growers that are in like zones 8, 9, and 10. They're already growing stuff, as I see, you know, all the different posts of the different people that I follow. And, you know, the Florida, the South Carolina gardeners, the ones in California, they're already in their gardens growing stuff. So yeah. All right, guys, thanks for taking the time to spend a few minutes with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, that would be great if you would go ahead and do that. Please hit the like button and grow and enjoy yourself in your garden. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.